Why you need to start doing like something so I know?
You shouldn't be looking
Hi, I'm
that way.
Sissy. Well, I was looking. I don't know why.
And
I
I'm
was looking
Sissy
up
Bob, and this is Sissy Miss Excuse.
and we're the Hillbilly Prepper Gals, and we've been tagged by Pet Prepper.
Pet Prepper, we sure have. And the question was, what would we do with an extra $100? I tell you what we did. We went and bought Sissy a man.
Well, here's the thing now, because are we considered a package deal? Is that $100 for us, or $50 each, or is it $100 each?
Well, it doesn't matter because I decided how we spent the $100.
She sure did, folks. I had no say.
It's done and gone.
I would have got myself a manicure and some hair, but that's okay. Got my hair done.
That's going to help you a lot.
Like a bedhead. But anyway, nope. Sissy decided that this little fella, she needed a man.
We needed to be more self-sufficient, and the only way to be more self-sufficient was to have a man in the backyard.
Yeah, okay.
a useful man. And we did.
That's it. Okay. Oh, and he is adorable, folks. He really is.
Yeah, he is cute to boot. So anyway, we'll let you see the little cute to boot, what we did with the, and you know, it's funny because he actually did cost exactly $100.
And we drove to Austin, went and got him, so we're going to do the little, you're going to see what we did when we got him.
Yep. That's it. And then you get to see what he was doing when we brought him home.
Oh my goodness, he likes to sing love songs. But anyway,
we are going to tag, since we've been tagged, we are going to tag Artisan Tony, sorry, Purbane, which is Deb and Ted, and Firedog 529. What would you do with an extra $100?
That's right. So y'all tag somebody else. Let's keep this going.
All right.
Wait, WACJP, we ain't crazy.
Just prepared, and now we're really prepared.
Oh, and if y'all really want to know what I would do with the $100, send me $100 and I'll show you.
Yeah.
You're with the Hillbilly Prepper Gals.
And today, we're going to take you on a trip to go get a fella. You gonna go get a man? We're gonna go get a man, Sissy.
Who are you?
I'm Sissy Bob.
I'm Sissy Sue, the new improved with glasses Sissy Sue.
She might be able to see now.
Actually, I can't. It's all kind of moving, but that's all right.
So today, we're headed down to
Austin,
well, outside of Austin. We're going to go pick up a fella, and he's a darn good-looking fella, too.
He is. Got a nice long beard on him.
Yeah, he's a feisty little guy. We'll let you see him when we go get him.
That's right.
All right.
Never mind, we'll show you.
We'll show you. We'll show you what a good-looking fella he is when we get there.
Okay.
Bye.
And there's Sissy Bob,
And we
folks.
still couldn't get up.
She got her new man in her life.
That's him, isn't he good-looking?
That's Conrad. Say hello, Conrad, to the people. Yep, he's going to be happy when he gets to the house and he meets some new girls for him.
So, I woke up this morning. Sounded like a man was dying in the backyard. But it wasn't a man dying in the backyard. It was Conrad with his song of love for Zarina. I'm not sure if that's begging and pleading or if that's sweet singing. But it's something. Which makes us hopeful. But little Zarina doesn't seem to be buying into the song. Don't give up, Conrad, darling. Alright, that's it for this morning. What, darling? What, darling? What's the matter, baby? I know. You're trying so hard, aren't you?